much I love you. You fed me from her gentle breast and hushed me in her arms to rest, and on my cheek sweet kisses pressed, my mother, who sat and watched my infant's head when sleeping on my cozy bed, and tears of sweet affection shed, my mother. You ran to help me when I fell, and with some pretty story tell, or kiss the place and make it well, my mother, who taught my infant heart to pray, and love God's holy book and day, and taught me wisdom's pleasant way, my mother. Oh no, the thought I cannot bear, and if God please my life to spare, I hope I shall reward the care, my mother. For God who lives above the sky would look with vengeance in his eye, if I should ever dare despise my mother. And thank you for listening.
Good afternoon, Ma.
It is where?
That gives us to the half of the Sunday school, to the sun.
Thank you, children in Sunday school. May the God continue to empower you. You will continue to grow in knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. We love you all. Thank you all.
Mama wa sing akole fora encourage all you be for sure so oh come for to meta